Hello, and welcome to Increase Microsoft and Google Suite Knowledge Training, Module number 5, Lesson 1, offered by the BeWell project. The BeWell project aims to shape the health and care workforce of tomorrow by addressing the need to prepare the health and care workforce for green and digital solutions introduced in the European health and care system to ensure that they can respond to current and future challenges. Today we will discuss about collaborative working between healthcare staff using Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive. My name is Monica Brenzak. I work within the Department of Public Health at Babeș-Bolyai University, and we are one of the BeWell project partners. The learning objectives and outcomes targeted by this training is to help you upload and create a file, to share and organize the files, to limit how the file is shared, and the training is targeted at EQF level number 5. In this part, we will discuss about opening, which we are closing right now, a brief overview, and then we will delve deeper into Google Drive. Now, let's get started. Now, I will give you an overview on Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google, while Microsoft OneDrive is a file hosting service operated by Microsoft. Some examples of usage of Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive in the healthcare field are for collaboration and communication, for when you want to do an interdisciplinary review of a medical case, for a patient board, for oncological committee, for example, and so on, for document sharing and accessibility, and for secure and centralized storage. Now let's go a bit deeper in Google Drive. Once again, we will go to Google and we will type in the name of the tool that we are searching for, in our case, Google Drive. Once again, the first link is the one that we need. I am already logged in and I have prepared the landing page already. So we will go here, and it's worth mentioning that with Google Drive, you can store your files securely and open them and edit them from any device. File you create on the Google Apps open in your browser or in your mobile app. Other types of files in your Drive folder open in their regular applications. And now we are in the landing page. Landing page where you can find My Drive with creating a new folder, uploading files, or specific tools that you can use to create a new document. In order to upload a file, you can either go to My Drive and click File Upload or Folder Upload, or to go to New and press the same thing. If you'll go to File Upload, you can select from the files that you have on your computer. A useful tip is that you can install Google Drive on your computer, and you can directly save files into that, which will synchronize with the online version. As a reflection moment, please install Google Drive on your computer by using this icon right here and upload one folder into Google Drive on your computer, and then check in the online version where it is and tell us what you think. Now let's say that you want to create a file directly in Google Drive. You can go to New and select the type of file that you need. After, let's say that you want to create a Google Doc. And after you filled in, share it with everyone that you need it. One of the reasons why we like and use Google Drive so much is that we can share everything that we're doing with colleagues. Now let's see how we can share and organize files or folders. We will go to New, we will click New Folder, we will name it BeWell, and we will press Create. And now we have it. And if you want, we can share it with all the people in our organization or specific people by either copying the link and sending them the link, or inputting here their email address. A nice thing that you can have inside the folder is that you can share the folder with everyone, let's say, but inside this big folder you can have several folders that are shared with specific people. For example, the BeWell folder can be shared with 10 people, but a subfolder can be shared with 5 people, and only them can see the folder. So it is a very good tool for organizing. Additionally, what you can do, you can remove someone's access to a specific folder or file. You can also go to the share and you will see that people that have access. And if they are not the owner, as I am for this folder, you can remove their access. Not only that, you can remove the entire access of a person to a specific file or folder, but you can also limit how a file is shared. You can set up the level of access to your file. Of course, these kind of options depend on if your Google account is through the health organization that you are working on or not. For example, if you select anyone with the link, this will be public and everyone can find it. If it is restricted, only the people with access, so with the link or with the email invitation, will be able to see it. And if you select the public health Baber-Boy University, only the people with an email within this organization will be able to see it. For example, we will create a Google Doc. So we have to accept, and then we will input here the name of the patient, and then we will upload everything. I will not do it now, but you please do, and then we will share it. You can share it now from here, from the file, or from the folder by clicking these three buttons. And also we can organize them by moving the file, by adding a shortcut, by adding a star to it, so it will be more accessible, or for adding it to a workspace. Now, after you have shared it with your colleagues, everyone that you've shared it with will be able to open, download, and edit the files that you have just shared or the folder that you have just shared. That was it from the first part. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for part 2.